In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your EVAP Purge Solenoid valve on this Nissan Pathfinder. This sits right on top of your air intake on the engine, so let's get started. To get started, you may have to remove your engine cover. In our case, it's missing, so I will skip past it, but usually a couple 10mm bolts will take that right off. All the way to the right-hand side of your intake, as you're looking at it, right here you'll find your EVAP Purge Solenoid. I'm going to unplug it first, press on the tab, and remove the electrical connector. Then pull both hose clamps off with the hoses. Sometimes they're a little stuck. Very, very gently give it a twist. If it's stuck, that helps break it free usually. If you can't pull it off, use something to very gently slide it. And now, two 10mm bolts is all that holds this valve on. So grab a socket, remove this one and the other one. Hold this so it doesn't fall down. And there's your EVAP Purge Solenoid valve. If you had your new one, you would line it up with the two bolt holes and slide the two bolts in. Once you start them in by hand, you definitely want to make sure they don't cross thread. Snug them up. They don't have to be very tight, just snug enough to hold this on. Plug in both hoses. Slide this one on and this one. Squeeze the clamp, slide the hose on. For this one, I'm going to have to slide the clamp back over. Just like that. Make sure you position it halfway between the end of the hose and between the end of the fitting. And plug it in. At this point, if you had an engine cover, you'd go ahead and put it back. If you had any check engine light codes, clear them and take it for a test drive. Make sure everything works fine.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.